Could eating artichokes treat mesothelioma just as well as chemotherapy? That's what we're going to look at in this video. Hey, I'm Deborah from survivingmesothelioma.com, and for almost 20 years now, we have been helping mesothelioma patients with the latest in mesothelioma treatment information. We are also the publisher of the best-selling mesothelioma survival book in the country. It's called Surviving Mesothelioma. Over 18,000 mesothelioma patients have their copy. If you'd like me to send you a free copy, click the link in the description below. So, how could a simple artichoke extract potentially help in the fight against mesothelioma? Well, a mesothelioma study published in the scientific journal Oncotarget found that Cynara scolymus, which is the scientific name for artichoke, could be a big help in the fight against mesothelioma. But how? Well, scientists looked at how Cynara scolymus, or artichokes, affected mesothelioma in test tubes and mice. And what they found was pretty incredible. They said, and I quote, "Dietary feeding with Cynara scolymus leaf extract," and that is the artichoke leaf extract, "reduces the growth of mesothelioma xenographic tumors similarly to pemetrexed, a commonly employed drug in the treatment of mesothelioma." Yeah, you heard that right. What that basically means is that eating artichoke leaf extract has the potential to shrink mesothelioma tumors about as well as a mesothelioma chemotherapy drug. Crazy, right? Okay, in this video, I am going to walk through the 4 core ways that artichoke extract shows promise for mesothelioma patients. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to share some strategies that you can start using in your everyday life. But first, what is Cynara scolymus? Cynara scolymus is just the scientific name for the artichoke plant. It is a vegetable that many of us eat, but it turns out the leaves of this plant contain powerful compounds that might help fight cancer. When we talk about Cynara scolymus in this video, we are mainly talking about an extract made from the artichoke leaves, which concentrates these helpful compounds. Okay, how does Cynara scolymus actually work in the fight against mesothelioma? Well, let's take a look at what the science says. And okay, don't worry, I'm gonna try to keep the science lingo to a minimum and just explain everything in really easy to understand terms. And if you're interested, I will add the links to the scientific papers in the description for you. Sound good? Okay, so here's what we know. A 2015 study published in Oncotarget showed how mesothelioma reacted to artichoke extracts in both test tubes and on mice. They found 4 different ways artichokes might help. All right, number 1, they found that the artichoke extract promotes apoptosis, which basically means it helps cancer cells self-destruct. And this is really important for removing unhealthy or dangerous cells. You can kind of think of it like sending a self-destruct message to the cancer cells in your body. All right, number 2. Next, they found that the artichoke extract reduces cell growth and inhibits cell migration. So think of this like putting the brakes on cancer cells, just slowing them down and making it harder for them to spread. Isn't it amazing how a simple plant extract could potentially slow down such an aggressive cancer? Number 3, the third key finding was that artichokes have natural antioxidant properties, and it may reduce oxidative stress. Okay, you see, our bodies, especially when we're fighting cancer, experience something called oxidative stress. Think of it as cellular rust. Antioxidants in artichoke extract may act like rust busters, neutralizing harmful particles that cause this cellular damage. By reducing this rust, artichoke extract might help slow the tumor growth and then just support your overall health. And then finally, number 4, what the scientists found was that the artichoke extract reduced tumor engraftment and growth in mice. In simpler terms, it made it harder for tumors to take hold and grow larger. Imagine it's like, making the soil less fertile for weeds in your garden. The cancer finds it harder to take root and grow. But what I found truly amazing was that when mesothelioma infected mice ate the artichoke extract, it reduced tumor growth by about the same amount as pemetrexed, a common chemotherapy drug. This suggests that someday mesothelioma patients might have a more natural option to complement their treatment plan. However, we need to talk about the limitations of this study. While the results are exciting, they are based on experiments in test tubes and mice. Our bodies are much more complex than these models, and that's why we need human clinical trials to really understand if artichoke extract will work the same way in people with mesothelioma and to figure out the right dosage and any potential side effects. And what side effects or risks did they find in the study? In this particular study, they didn't find any specific negative outcomes. But one thing that they did find is that artichoke extract is still in early stages of research for mesothelioma treatment. Early stages of research means we don't yet know how it might interact with other treatments or what the long-term effects might be. So, more studies, especially human clinical trials, will be needed to fully understand its potential as a treatment. It's important to remember that while this research is really promising, artichoke extract isn't currently available as a standard treatment for mesothelioma. Always consult with your doctor about your treatment options. All right, let's wrap this up with some actionable steps that you can take to potentially incorporate the benefits of Cynara scolymus, artichoke, into your daily life. Remember, while this research is promising, it's still in early stages. Always consult with your doctor or your oncologist before making any changes to your diet or treatment plan. All right, want to add artichoke to your diet? Try including artichoke in your meals. You can steam them, you can grill them, you can add them to salads and pasta dishes. 2, drink artichoke tea. So look for artichoke leaf tea at health food stores or online. Number 3, speak with your doctor about adding artichoke supplements to your treatment. Artichoke leaf extract supplements are available in many health food stores. Number 4, explore other cruciferous vegetables. While we focused on artichokes, other vegetables in this family like broccoli and cauliflower also have potential cancer-fighting properties. So try to include a variety in your diet. Number 5, work with a licensed nutritionist to boost your overall antioxidant intake. Artichokes are really high in antioxidants, so increase your intake of other antioxidant-rich foods like berries, dark leafy greens, and nuts. 6, maintain a balanced diet. While focusing on artichokes, don't forget about just overall nutrition. Aim for a diet that is rich in fruits and vegetables and whole grains and lean proteins. 7, stay hydrated. Proper hydration is crucial for overall health, and it may help your body process nutrients more effectively. Aim for 8 glasses of water a day. Number 8, educate yourself further. Continue learning about alternative therapies for mesothelioma survival. A good place to start is with the book Surviving Mesothelioma by Paul Krauss, the world's longest living mesothelioma survivor. He has survived for over 27 years with the help of alternative therapies. If you would like a free copy of his book, visit survivingmesothelioma.com, and I'm going to leave a link in the description as well. And most importantly, remember to talk to your doctor before you make any changes to your treatment plan or your diet or really doing any of the things that we discussed in this video. The key is to work closely with your healthcare team to develop a comprehensive approach to your mesothelioma care. It is never a good idea to make changes without consulting with them first. Anyway, that is all I have for today. Stay positive, stay informed, keep fighting.